What's going on? Rob from myppctraining.com. Today I'm going to go through with you what is a good quality score, how do you get one. I'm going to talk all about quality score today, so let's dive right in. Okay, guys. So as I said before, today we're going to go into quality score and how to improve it, what it is, all that good stuff. So as you can see, we're at Google's Help Center. So we're going to see what Google says first, since they are quality score. So quality score is a 1 to 10 score on your keywords and ad groups and all that stuff. And it has 3 factors. It's still, the mechanics of how it works are still really a mystery, but we know there are three points of data that they look at to determine quality score. Expected click-through rate, which is basically Google's best guess on if your keywords are going to have a good click-through rate. There's not really much you can do besides have really high-quality ad copy. Ad relevance is the relevance of your ad text and copy to the keywords and ad groups that you are attached to them. And landing page experience, which can be a number of different things. It can be how fast your page loads, how easy it is to navigate for the user, the content, if the content's relevant to what the keywords that are driving traffic to the site. So obviously, if you're a roofer and you're sending and you're bidding on keywords for siding and gutters, sending siding and gutters keyword traffic to a roofing landing page, they're going to kick you in the teeth and give you a really shitty quality score. You got to make sure that it's extremely relevant, the landing page, so that the traffic's coming to. So there's 3 things that need to be, you got to keep in mind always about quality score and AdWords. This applies to AdWords in general. Your keywords, I should say your ad groups, your keywords, your ads, and your landing page all have to be in sync, okay? So your ad group has to have tightly themed keywords. Those tightly themed keywords have to go to tightly themed ads. Those tightly themed ads have to go to a tightly themed landing page, all right? If you keep that in mind, you'll never go wrong. So here, quality score can be based on past performance data of the entire account. And then they got some historical, some different column stuff you can set up, which I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So basically, when you have a higher quality score, Google's going to charge you less per click, and it's a reward. So the shittier the quality score, the more you're going to pay per click. That's why it's important to have a high quality score. But I want you to keep in mind and not get discouraged. As I'm going to show you in a minute, we have on our campaign here, we have some shitty quality scores. It's only one factor of a successful AdWords campaign, okay? We've had campaigns that were absolute garbage quality score-wise, and they pulled tons of leads, all right? And we've had campaigns that had really high quality scores, 9s and 10s, and they didn't pull anywhere near as many leads as the ones who had shitty quality scores. So it's a balancing act. You got to dance between raindrops, and that's just how Google is. So I'm sure you guys already know that. Let's go into AdWords. So we're in our white label campaign. It's just an example campaign. Doesn't matter what niche you're in your campaign. It's totally relevant. Come down here, go into the campaign. Up in your navigation right here, drop down to keywords so we're at the keyword level of the entire account. And we have our quality score column right here. You can see we sorted by highest to lowest. And if you don't have these columns or a quality score column, you simply come up here, modify columns, quality score, check it, hit apply. That's it. So you can see 8s if you hover over status, 8 of 10 quality score, expected click-through rate average, ad relevance above average, landing page experience above average. So if you hit learn more, it's going to pull up this little box here where you can read more about quality score. And it's pretty much just the same stuff we just looked at. You can really go down the rabbit hole though and start following all the links that relate to it if you're that interested. Just keep in mind what I told you and you'll be fine. Relevant keywords, relevant ads, relevant landing page. That's really it. It doesn't matter if you have an ad group with 5 keywords in it, okay? It's the biggest misconception I've ever heard. You're better off having a keyword or an ad group with 5 keywords in it than an ad group with 185 keywords in it. All right, and that's what a lot of people do. They just dump keywords in the one ad group, and that's where you get crushed. So break it down to more relevant. As you can see down here, we got some shitty quality scores too. It's something that we still work on. 1 to 10. I mean, I don't really know why, because these are great keywords going to great ads, going to a great landing page. But like I said, just one of those things you can't let discourage you. As long as the campaign's working, that's all that matters. All right, so if you guys have any questions, drop them below the video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, give me a thumbs up on this video. Check out the description. I've dropped some links in there for you that are some pretty cool stuff. Other than that, I will see you in the next video.